So I'm going to show you how to check if you have an SSD or a hard disk on your Windows laptop. So you want to go to the search here, or just click on the search button and go to search here and search for Task Manager. From the results, click on Task Manager, and that's going to open up your computer's Task Manager. So on the left hand side, you want to click on Performance, and then under Performance, click on Disk. So I've selected disk, so you can see the information about your disk, and you should see the disk type right here. So it says here I have SSD. If you have the traditional hard disk, it's going to show HDD, which is basically hard disk, right? You can also see the type. Mine is NVMe, and that's basically how you can see that information. You can also see at the top here the name of your specific brand of SSD and the capacity. Thanks for watching, and good luck.